Hey guys, I am Dipendra from Fixing Port. Today I am here to talk about the impact due to the restrictions on import of TVs, that is televisions, imposed by Government of India. So let's begin. To start with, the tech giant Xiaomi says that this move of Government of India will boost manufacturing in India. Xiaomi started manufacturing MI TVs in India in October 2018. The company favors this move of Government of India to restrict the import of TVs because according to the company, they manufacture 85% of their MI TVs in India, which are sold in India itself. The Directorate General of Foreign Trade, that is DGFT, has recently amended the policy to restrict the import of TV sets in India. Almost 35% of the TVs sold in India are imported from other countries. These countries are China, Vietnam and Malaysia. This policy of Government of India, on the other hand, will affect the unfamiliar brands which manage to sell their televisions on the e-commerce platforms such as Amazon and Flipkart. Talking about the fiscal year 2020, the total import under the restricted category was worth $781 million, of which Vietnam accounted $428 million and China accounted for $292 million. But the change in the policy won't affect the price and the availability of TVs in India. This is because most of the smart TV brands are already manufacturing their TVs and assembling their TVs in India. We would also like to inform you that it is not a ban on import of TVs in India. It's just a restriction on import of TVs. And a company which is holding a relevant license issued by Government of India can easily import the TVs in India and sell the TVs in India. I hope our video helped you, and if our video helped you, then please like our video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for amazing tech videos. Thank you guys. See you guys in the next video.